What's up, YouTube? This is Mr. Couponer. I decided to do a 5 off 25 scenario for personal and some personal items and few cleaning products. First, if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down to the right. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified when all new videos have been uploaded. If you are subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription and thank you for your support. The first you will have to clip is the digital 5 off 25 coupon, or if you don't have the digital, if you got the paper, you can still do this scenario. You would clip the 75 cents off of the Suave deodorant, the $1 off of the Colgate, the $1 off of the Caress, the $2 off of the Big Razors, the $1 off of the two SG Johnson products, $2 off of the Downy, 50 cents off of the Mr. Clean, and 50 cents off for the Tide Simply. Or you can do the $2 off of the two Reach toothbrushes. You could clip either of those two items. Your total will be a little different if you got the Reach, or if you do the Tide, this is what your total is going to be. So your subtotal is going to be $25.45. Your 5 off, what you would do if you got the paper 5 off 25 coupon, once they hit subtotal or hit total, that would give you your total presenting in the 5 off 25 coupon, which looks like this. And they either can enter that, scan that, or they can enter it manually on the register. Then they would give you your new total, your new subtotal. Sorry about the focus. They will give you your new subtotal. Then on the bottom right side of the debit card, credit card machine is a sign that says DG Coupons. Hit that, enter your 10-digit phone number, and then all your following digitals will come off. So once your 5 off 25 and your digitals come off, your subtotal is gonna be $11.70. For this, you're gonna be saving $13.75. $13.75 for 9 items. You're gonna be paying $1.30 each for each item. I also will put, what coupons, pictures of the coupons you will have to clip at the end of this video. Again, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified when all new videos have been uploaded. Thank y'all again for y'all support, and thank you for watching. Bye.